update from the dam. The dam has opened from the sky, and this is my mate over here. I just pulled in. Say hi. I've just pulled into this emergency joint. It's like a house because it is fucking down raining like huge, man. In Vietnam, it comes on in about 2 seconds. When you're on a bike, you just rip into the first place you can see. Last week I went into a cemetery because it was raining. Anyway, this guy's made me a bed for $2 a night, and yeah, I don't know. I think it's a coffee shop of some sort, but I'm not really sure. So yeah, for $2 a night, you can't beat it. And I think he's probably going to give me a feed and I don't know what else. So yeah, very interesting. Anyway, it should be an interesting night. Okay, bye.